it's a whole little medical world here. All these programs, they all revolve around medicine in some way or another. So it's kind of something I wanted to surround myself with.
We're next door to nursing, we're next door to medical imaging, we're down the hall from dental hygiene, pharmacy, and so there's really that sense of healthcare community, and it actually mimics what you are going to find in clinical settings.
We have mannequins where we can practice seeing a patient like it's a real hospital setting.
We can manipulate the pupils, the lung sounds, the heart sounds, intestinal sounds. The mannequins have pulses, you can take blood pressures, you can do procedures on them, so we do IVs on them.
We gather a history, we perform a physical exam on the patient, and the mannequin is able to blink and breathe and cough. You order different labs and diagnostics, and our professors are on the other side of a one-way mirror, giving feedback in real time. Oftentimes, the cases are complex and build a lot off of real life. Not everything is going to be perfectly from the textbook. Being able to practice in a hands-on environment really shows what information I actually know versus just being able to take test questions. Today, we had several alums of the program that were coming back to teach us different surgical skills.
Learning how to put on OR attire, their suturing, abscess skills, so a lot of hands-on techniques and skills.
I've started to feel more and more confident about going on to rotations and being able to see a patient on my own.
Our students go in a wide range of specialties, from primary care to urgent care, emergency medicine, surgical specialties, intensive care, dermatology, you name it, and we have had a student that has gone into that specialty.
When it comes to clinical rotations, my big goal is to ultimately find rotations at sites where I can maybe get a job offer.
Our faculty is always thinking what our students need and want, and they're also going above and beyond to make students feel heard and feel supported. So we have a tremendous team here, we have tremendous students here, and it's really a great place.